Now, as you recall, we were talking that the yen is beginning to weaken versus the dollar because the technical picture on the chart, plus some of the political changes that's taking place in Japan, having the new prime minister coming into place. So that would indicate there might be a possibility of some short covering in the yen pairs, i.e. the yen would be selling. So it doesn't really matter how weak the currency is. We know that the euro is very weak, we know that the pound is very weak, but we know that the dollar is very strong and the dollar is pushing high. So this means there will be a lot of selling coming into the yen. So if we don't have any other positions in the pound, we're not short the pound dollar, we're not short the yen, the euro, dollar, or whatever, we might be looking at the possibility of some movement in the crosses versus the yen. So take a look at the pound yen right in front of you, and you can see that we have pushed above the structure point, which is the 132.20 last week and on Thursday, and then on Friday we pushed back in again, and that gave us a big short covering rally above, all the way above the 135.54, only for it to sell off a little bit and come and close at the 132.81. Even though this is not the most excitable picture to the upside, this is not really a very strong close, but yet it is not a weak close. I mean, it's not a negative close. It's a weak close, but it's not a negative close. Okay, thanks, Francis. So in this case, guys, the close is 132.81. It is above the structural point of 132, so it's 80 pips above the structure, so that is a positive sign. And 33.21. So this is how we're going to trade the pound yen. If it comes and trades, what is that? 133.20. So if we come and trade above 133.21, that is going to be our buying point, which we actually did come above it last. What I would suggest for us, guys, we will take it above the market side just to give it a little bit of room, so that you guys I don't want you to get caught in a lot of whipsaw. But the guys who have the software, you can take the break out of the range or the break above 133.20. Okay, the guests take it above 133.45. So we are going to be buyers of the pound yen 133.45, and if we do take it above 133, we're going to place our stop below 132.80. Okay, this is our long. Our short, we're going to take it, our short is going to be below the structure point, which is the 132, which is exactly from last week, our short point from last week. And if we go short below the 132, I want this to be if we go short below 132, going to leave the stop above 132.50, and the structure long is still 139.70. If we go long above 133.45, stop is going to be below 132.80. Okay, so this is the pound yen. We're going to go long above 133.45, and if we do that, our stop is 132.80. And if we're going to go short below the structural point of 132.02, our stop is going to be 132.50. We're going to give it a short, a tight stop, and our structural long is 139.70, and our structure short is the 132.20. Okay.